This is shelling on the beach. It's a lot of great shells that wash up. Let's see, what do we have here? Wow, look at this. Very nice. We also got a lot of cool shells. Here's an example of stuff in our bag. There's a lot of really cool ones and some sea glass. Whoa.
That's cool, isn't it?
Cool, there's a conch. You can find this kind of stuff. Very cool. Thank you.
Stuff. Yeah, you guys have some good stuff.
Can you show me what you got? What did you get there? Wow, good finds. Very cool.